Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. I'll walk you through making eye-catching, transparent titles in Canva step by step. Start by creating a new design. Select the custom size option and enter 300 by 300 pixels. After setting the dimensions, proceed to add the desired elements to your design to customize it further. Type the word photo into the search box and press enter. You'll see results related to photos appear on the screen. This allows you to quickly find all content tagged or related to photos within your workspace or application. Choose a photo you like from the selection. Click on the texture element to select it. Then set the chosen image as the background by right-clicking and selecting Set as Background. Once the background is applied, look for the text tool in the toolbar. Click on it to add text to your design, then type your desired message. Adjust the text's position, size, and color as needed to complete your layout. In the search bar, type Natural Beauty and press Enter. This will display a range of images and content related to natural beauty, allowing you to choose the best option for your project. Add effects to your text by first selecting the color you want. Click the color palette and choose your preferred shade. Next, increase the text size by dragging the size slider or entering a specific value. To create a transparent title effect, adjust the opacity setting. Lower the opacity until you achieve the desired level of transparency. These steps let you customize your text appearance with color, size, and transparency effects. Select the transparency option from the menu. Next, adjust the transparency level by moving the slider to reduce the effect. Lower the transparency until you achieve the desired appearance. This will make the element less see-through and help it stand out more clearly. Enter 60 in the input field to set the value. This updates the parameter to 60 for your configuration. With your transparent title ready, click the Share button. Select Download from the menu. Choose PNG as the file type for higher image quality. Increase the size if you want a better resolution picture. Finally, click the Download button to save the file to your computer and complete the process. You just learned how to make transparent titles in Canva. If it was helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more creative tips.